Well, so the weather has been pretty good, so I'm going to take advantage of it and take out my G-made sawback, basically a Jeep Willy. It is a very good machine. I've got it basically stock, but I did build it as a kit, and these are just standard 1.9 Proline flat iron tires. Let's start off with this huge drop. Getting hung up right away, but there is rollers on the bottom of the sawback transmission housing, or pardon me, the transmission plate. There's actually little wheels down there that help it with things like this. Oh, there we go. Caught on the back tire, and good. Kind of a dreary day today, but still good to get out and have some fun. Oh, look at that climb. Oh, nice. Figure I'd light a fire so we can all keep warm. Big drop here, big drop. Gotta have placement right. Let's change the camera for you. Tire placement when crawling is critical. Of course, it depends, you know, if you put bad tire placement, you can basically have a rollover anytime. There we are. So the slow crawl, I use high exponential on my radio setting, which just basically means I have to pull the trigger a lot. There's a lot of control there before you get any forward motion. And we can just kind of burn through this area. Right into the V crevice, the canyon. This is tough because tire placement is essential. The camera just doesn't, you know, kind of grasp it. This rock here actually juts out more than this rock right here, so it's kind of on an angle. So you got to run the tire up here and then just kind of squeeze your way through. There we go. Oh, almost. Gotta lift that tire first. There we are. Through. A little bit of wheel speed. And I'm through. I'm actually quite impressed by the sawback. I only had one piece break on it, which was my own fault. It was the front CVD. Look at that, great crawling. And so far, yeah, just good luck. Now to the bridge. It's all about tire placement here and lining up your truck properly. There we are. I cheated. Come on. This climb here, I'm going to change the camera because it's actually quite tough here. Nice. Now here's a perfect example of where I like wheel speed. There's a very, a tire catching gap right here, and wheel speed will actually carry me over in a bit of a hop. Here, I'm gonna keep the camera where it is, but so you can see it. Yeah, hop. Everybody crawls and RCs differently. That's totally okay. You might enjoy the slow crawl all the time. There we are. I see how I use my back tire to kind of hook around. Yeah, maybe I can show you that again. Hold on. Okay, so here's the example. I use the tire back here to pivot this entire truck. I'm going to try and do it again for you. I wanted to show you like this though, so you'd have an idea that, yeah, I'm getting a bit of a body rub there, but the back tire will use itself as an anchor point. Watch this. I'll come off around the outside. Okay, just like I did before. Now I want to have a nice tight turn to get down in this area without it rolling and flipping. So I'm purposely backing up and I'm going to catch that back tire on the rock. And it kind of helps me move around. There we are. Beautiful. Slow and controlled. Now the climb of doom here doesn't look especially hard, especially with a low center of gravity vehicle, and the camera angles never do it justice. But that rock right at the top, this one here, bonk, that one actually lifts my nose another few degrees, which makes it even tougher. Plus, it's a very skinny rock. Look at that. So the wheelbase is just a little bit under that, so to be able to hop up over it and go with the slant takes a bit of control, and again, that hop at the top, because it's going to get my bottom transmission plate hung up. See, there we go. Well, you guys can't see it, I'll back it up even more. It just basically goes straight vertical right there, kind of causes a hole. So if you don't use that wheel speed, it can be tough. Oh, fail. I'm not one to quit a challenge like this. This is exactly why I RC. I love failing, and then overcoming it. Oh, fail again. Arnold smashed his face. Now focus, medic. Down again. I can do this. I can do this. Oh yes! Can he make it across? No! Fail. Yes! Finally! Oh, can I pull it off the other side? Yes! I only died about 50 times. Exaggeration, not far off. That's how long I was working on it. The fire's gone out. Course looks easy until you try it out. Nice. quite the slant. It's basically a straight drop. You got to line it up on that small rock. Here we go. Nice. First tire. Got it. Hand of God. There we go. The final descent. Nice. Controlled. Got to use my back tires as an anchor. Get around. Nice. Slowly without flipping. Ah, well done. Good driving, Arnie. On to the mud pits.